This is India, a land where deserts glow golden, mountains kiss the sky, rivers whisper ancient tales, and cities dance between the past and the future. This is not just a country, it's a living, breathing storybook of culture, color, chaos, and calm. And in today's journey, we'll take you through the top 10 best places to visit in India, places that will make you fall in love with travel all over again. Let's dive in. At number 10 on our list is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. This is a place considered to be India's hidden paradise. The blue sea, white sand beaches, and islands surrounded by greenery win the hearts of all the tourists who visit here. Scuba diving at Havelock Island gives a unique experience, and Radhanagar Beach is counted among the most beautiful beaches in Asia. At the same time, the cellular jail reminds us deeply of India's struggle for independence. So, if you want peace and natural beauty away from the crowd in India, then this place will be perfect for you. At number 9 is Rishikesh. It is located in the Indian state of Uttarakhand, a sacred and peaceful city situated on the banks of the Ganga river. Rishikesh is also called the yoga capital of the world, where people from all over the world come in search of meditation and peace. Lakshman Chula, Ganga Aarti, and the scenic views of the mountains bring peace to the mind. And if you are fond of adventure, then whitewater rafting here is waiting for you. At number 8 is Jaipur city. It is the royal capital of India's Rajasthan state, also known as the Pink City. Amer Fort, Hawa Mahal, City Palace and Jal Mahal are such magnificent historical sites that showcase the royal glimpse of this city to the world. Walking through its colorful markets, experiencing traditional food and folk art makes everyone feel royal. At number 7 is Munnar. This location lies in the state of Kerala in South India, a beautiful hill station situated among enchanting valleys. The thick greenery here soothes your eyes, and the tea gardens, cloud-covered mountains, and the sound of waterfalls all together provide a heavenly experience. So, if you want a peaceful environment and to witness natural beauty, then Munnar is a perfect destination for you. At number 6 is New Delhi. This is the capital of India, where history and modernity walk together. Red Fort, Qutub Minar, India Gate and Humayun's tomb are some of the historic monuments that define this city. Meanwhile, Connaught Place and Chandni Chowk are like heaven for shopping and street food lovers. Delhi is one such city in India that offers something for everyone. At number 5 is Varanasi. Located in the Indian state of Uttar Pradesh, Varanasi is one of the world's oldest living cities, which is a wonderful confluence of spirituality and Hindu culture. The evening aarti at the ghats of Banaras, boat rides in the Ganga, and the traditional Indian food found in its narrow alleys all touch the soul deeply. After visiting here, you get to witness both life and death in the same place. At number 4 is Goa. It is known as India's party capital, which is famous for its beaches, nightlife and free-spirited atmosphere. Baga and Anjuna beaches, old churches and seafood shacks pull people back again and again. Goa is not just a place, it's a feeling loved by people of all ages. At number 3 is Leh and Ladakh. Yes, this is a paradise nestled in the lap of the mountains, where the icy winds bring a unique sense of peace and dryness. Pangong Lake, Nubra Valley and the monasteries of Leh all together make Ladakh a spiritual and adventure hub. And for bike riders, this destination is no less than a dream trip. At number 2 is Udaipur, Rajasthan, a city settled by the lakes, where every morning the rays of the sun fall on the calm surface of the water, and every evening the reflections of palaces appear in the lakes. The streets here are made of stone, but at every turn, you are greeted with color, music and culture. There is a royal feeling in the air of the city, as if time has stopped and you have become a part of a royal story. So if you want to feel all these experiences yourself, then do visit Udaipur once. And at number 1 on our list is Taj Mahal. Yes, the Taj Mahal is located in Agra city, just a few hours away from India's capital Delhi. It is a marvelous structure made of white marble, which was built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan in the memory of his eternal love Mumtaz Mahal. But this is not just a symbol of love. It is a masterpiece of architecture that shows different colors at every hour of the day. Pink in the morning light, sparkling white in the afternoon, and shining like silver under the moonlight. Tourists don't just come here to click pictures. They get lost in its stories and feel the love in every corner that gave birth to it. These were India's 10 most beautiful places that touch the hearts of every foreign tourist. How did you like this video? If you liked it, do give it a like. Thank you.